Okay. Let me just wait for the rest.
Ready.
Okay. Let me just wait for the rest. For the rest, and then we'll check. Okay. So Emiliano, Mary, Ileana, Katia. I think Alejandro left. Okay, Miranda. All right. Okay. So let me just go back to the book so you can tell me the answers. All right. Okay. So for question number 2, who wants to tell me the order? Let's take turns. Number 2. Who wants to
Me.
do number 2? Okay.
Bueno, number 2 is, did he paint pictures?
Okay. So everybody has the same answer?
Yes.
Exactly. Okay. So question number 2 is, did he paint pictures? Good. Number 3. Who wants to say number 3?
Me?
Did he
Mm-hmm.
compose music?
Uh, did
Mm-hmm.
he compose music?
Okay. Yes. So everybody has the same question. Did he compose music?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Now let's see who wants to say number 4. What's the question for number 4? The one you have. It's okay. Don't worry.
Did he make
With the
1,000
Okay. So did he?
page of notes?
Okay. So did he? What? Sorry, Elena.
He make
Uh huh.
150,000 page of notes.
Uh huh. Do you guys have it like this?
Yes.
It's like this. Okay. So did he make 150,000 pages of notes? Okay, and it's correct. Uh-huh.
repeat me.
Yes, the answer is, did he make 150,000 pages of notes?
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Questions with that one?
No.
No.
Okay. Number 5. What is the question for number 5?
Me,
Okay.
did he die in, I don't say,
The number
yes,
1519.
1519? Okay.
In
Okay.
pairs?
Miss,
Yes.
¿por qué no se dice así como en el español de que 1500?
We can say it. So, but it's normally in the United States. They make the year in pairs. So I don't know why exactly, but it's more frequent for them to say, like, for example, this year is 2020 and they say 2020.
Okay.
It's more simple for them.
Yes.
Al igual el número telefónico, ¿no? Que se dice por uno.
Yeah,
Ok.
pretty much. Mhm. Number 6, question number 6. Who wants to say number 6? All right. Okay. All right. Let me make the question number 6. So did what? Did people, Leonardo's, Turkey, what?
In Leonardo's?
No.
Use
All right. So let's see. Let's put it like this. So did Leonardo use what?
not
Okay.
in people Turkey. Or in Turkey people?
Okay, all right. So it's going to be like this. The question is, did
Mhm.
people,
Did people? Mm.
use Leonardo's notes in Turkey? Turkey is the country. Okay, so did people, we're talking about the people in Turkey. It's like if I say, did Mexicans use Leonardo's notes in Turkey? The Mexican version, maybe it can be, did Mexican people use Enrique Peña Nieto's constitution in Monterrey, for example? So it's pretty much like that, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Do you have questions with this?
No.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, let me go back to, what? Okay, let me go back to the presentation. This one. Okay, so we practiced this already. Okay, this one, simple past questions. My examples, where did you walk home last night? Did you work yesterday? Did you play basketball last week? Did you listen to music? Okay, one more time. I have the verbs in here. These are the verbs for now that we are using. These are regular verbs, okay? I want you to, in your notebook, not in the chat, in your notebook, write 2 questions. And I want you to use these verbs, okay?
With work, play, etc.
Yes, exactly, but only 2 questions, okay? I don't want you to do more, only 2 questions. Let me send you an example in the chat, in the Zoom chat.
In the chat or notebook?
No, in the notebook. You write it in the notebook. When you finish, put finish in the chat, okay?
Okay.
Right. Okay. All right, so then everybody finished?
Yes.
Okay. So before we actually check the questions, before we actually check your questions, um, I'm going to ask you this. We're going to check the answers. How can I answer? So for example, my answer has to be short, okay? It's only short, not a complete sentence. If I say, or if I make the question, did you walk home last night? What is the affirmative short question answer, sorry. What do you think?
I walked home last night.
So my question is, did you walk home last night?
Yes, I did.
Yes.
Yes, I didn't.
Yes, I
Didn't? No. Yes, I
Didn't
did.
or didn't?
Did it.
yes, I do.
All right. So remember that we are using past, okay? All of this is past. Do is present. Past is the, sorry, did is the past of do. So my answer
Yes, I did. Okay.
in affirmative, and it's
Yes, I did.
short. So did you walk home last night? Yes, I did. What is a negative version, do you think?
No, I didn't.
No, I
Mhm.
didn't. Exactly.
Exactly. Okay. So did you walk home last night? No, I didn't. Okay. The same. Did you work yesterday? Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
I did.
No, I didn't. The same thing. Did you play basketball last week?
Yes, I did.
No, I didn't. Depending. It's what you what is real for you. And the same. Did you listen to music?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Okay.
Okay.
It's simple. You don't give extra information. It's only yes, I did. No, I didn't. But it's important. Remember, they are answers. So I have to
Yes.
say yes or no, and then the rest thing. Okay,
Okay. Mhm.
that's important. It's they are. I mean, they are. We're working with answers, so you have to give short, but they have to be like this. Okay.
Okay.
Questions with this?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna go back to this part. Now, I want you to take, right now we are, for example, I have, let me make this, okay. So I have Elena, Iliana, Katia, Emiliano, Edgar, Mary, Miranda, and Alejandra. I want you to take turns, make one of your questions, okay, to one person in the class, and the person has to answer with yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to start the question and then you continue like that. So for example, I'm going to start with Elena. Elena,
Yes.
did you work yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Elena, ask Iliana your question.
Mhm.
Hey, Eliana, did you play tennis last night?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Iliana, ask one question to Katia.
Katia, did you listen to music?
Yes, I didn't.
Yes, I didn't.
Yes, I did.
No.
Yes, I did, perdón.
It's okay. So yes, yes I did. Okay. Katia, ask your question to Emiliano.
Did you play video games last night?
Yes, I
Okay. Emiliano, ask your question to Edgar.
okay. Edgar, did you play soccer last month?
Did you qué?
Did you play soccer last month?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Edgar, ask Mary one question.
Uh, Did you listen to music yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Mary, ask your question to Miranda.
Did you play basketball last week?
No, I didn't.
Okay. And Miranda, ask your question to Alejandra.
Okay, Alejandra, did you play Call of Duty last night? Again?
Yes, let's see if she's around the computer. Can you ask again, please?
Okay, did you play Call of Duty last night?
Maybe she's not in front of the computer. Okay. Who wants to answer Miranda's question?
I'm here.
Okay, she's here. Hold on. All right, Miranda, can you repeat the question, please, so Alejandra can answer?
Yes. Did you play Call of Duty last night?
Did what?
Did you play Call of Duty last night?
What is Call of Duty?
A video game.
Ah, I didn't play.
No, I didn't.
Play. Oh,
So in this case, it can be short. So you only answer no, I
I
didn't.
didn't. No, I didn't.
Okay. Can you ask one question, Alejandra?
Okay. Did you watch movie last night?
Okay. Who wants to answer the question?
No, I didn't.
Okay. All right. Good. So with the questions, what question do you have? Do you have questions making the questions? No?
No.
All good?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. All right. Well, where we did this. Okay. Well, this one, you know what? I think we can skip this. Yeah, we can skip this one. All right. This is what we're going to do. The rest of the class, we're going to practice this part. It's the writing project, let's say. We have to do a writing. And in here, these are the instructions, this purple part. It says, your English teacher asked you to write a biography about a famous person in history, so in the past, that you admire. It says, write a biography describing the person and explaining why you admire. We're going to do something similar to this. We're going to write about a famous person in the past. Okay, I'm going to give you the information, but you have to give a complete biography, okay? Yes?
Okay. Yes.
But we're going to start little by little. So this is what we're gonna go with this. This information is in your book. If you go to page, where is the book? Here. If you actually go to page 84. It's page 84, practice number 2. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to read the instructions I have in the PowerPoint presentation. And it says, let's read the biography. This is the biography. And then we will decide what paragraph, A, B, or C, represents numbers 1, 2, and 3. Okay?
Okay.
All right, I want you to take a moment in silence, okay? In silence and read this biography. When you finish, please write finish in the chat, okay?
Finish the read.
Only reading, yeah, don't answer, only read the paragraph.
Okay.
Okay. Don't answer, only read the biography, please. All right, did you guys finish reading?
No, Ale, gracias. Todavía no.
Okay.
Finish.
Okay. I'll just wait for the rest. Okay, everybody finished? Remember, it's only reading the paragraph. You don't have to answer anything. All right, let's just go to this and do it together, okay? If you see, the biography has one, two, three paragraphs. Paragraph A, paragraph B, and paragraph C. Yes?
Yes.
All right. We have one, like I said, 1, 2, 3 options. What paragraph from the biography has information about time, place of death, and the reasons why they admire this person? What paragraph?
B.
Paragraph B?
Yes.
Okay, so paragraph B. What?
No, letter
No?
C.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna check the answers in a moment. So we have B or C, okay?
Yes.
What paragraph has the name of the person, what the person is famous for, and the date and the place where the person was born?
A.
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 Okay, A. Good.
B. Ah,
Oh, B?
No, letter A.
Letter A? Okay. And the last information, what paragraph has the person's achievements? So achievements are what the person did.
E.
Correct.
E.
B. Okay, let's check the book. Let me go to the book. And here it is. All right, so I'm gonna simply just click the answers. In this case, the time, place of death, reasons why I admire the person is paragraph C. In this case, it says Maria Sklodowska Curie died. So in this case, died is death of leukemia in Paris in 1934. And then reasons I admire her because she was a brave scientist who saved she saved lots of lives risking hers. Paragraph A, it's the first thing, introduce the name and when she was born. And letter B, normally in a presentation, paragraph B has all of the information, okay?
Yes.
Questions with this?
No.
No.
A vocabulary word that you are not sure what it is?
No.
No?
No, it's okay.
All right, so let me go back to the PowerPoint presentation. I have it here. All right. So we're gonna continue with this. So I want you to tell me whose biography is this? Who is a famous person they are talking about?
Maria
Maria Sklodowska.
Uh-huh. Exactly. So it's Maria Sklodowska Curie or Mary Curie, how we know her here in Mexico, I think. All right. We have this sequence of events. A sequence, what is a sequence?
Secuencia.
Uh-huh, okay, yes. So we have to decide what happened first, what happened second, 3, 4, 5, 6, until number 7, okay? I want you, we're gonna do this. We're going to read the paragraph one more time in silence, okay? You have to do it in your notebook. In a moment, I have to tell you what you're gonna do. And you're going to see what event happened from number 1 to number 7, okay? So in here, number 1 is already answered. So it says Maria Sklodowska Curie was born in 1867. Actually, I know you have it in your book. Let me check. Yes, in your book, you have it here in practice number 3. So number 1 is already answered. Okay? What you have to do is read this paragraph that I have in the PowerPoint presentation and tell me what happened number 2, number 3, number 4, until number 7, okay?
Okay.
So please take a moment, read this and answer this part. Did you guys finish?
Yes.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, let's wait 1 more minute. Okay, is it already finished? Okay, Emiliano Miranda finished. Ready?
Yes. In case.
All right, let's go. Let me go back to the book so we can check the answers, so I can explain what you have to do for your homework, because then the time is almost finished. Okay, so number 1, we said that, the answer is that Maria Sklodowska-Curie was born in 1867. What is the second thing that happened? What is the second part of the events? What?
She attended the Sorbonne University in Paris.
Okay, so number 2 is letter F. Everybody has the same thing?
Yes.
The
Yes.
correct answer is letter F. She attended the Sorbonne University in Paris. What event is the third event, the number 3?
She married Pierre Curie.
Yes.
Okay.
She married Pierre Curie.
Good. So she married Pierre Curie. What is the fourth event, number 4?
Maria Sklodowska-Curie and Pierre Curie discovered
Radium. Okay, good. Letter G. Do you have that? Okay. Number 5. What was the event number 5?
She trained nurses to X-ray people.
Okay, so letter D. Do you have that?
Yes.
Okay. It's not correct.
Is B, no?
Which one?
B. She received 2 Nobel Prize.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. So yes, the second part of the fifth part is that she was the first person to receive 2 Nobel Prizes. What is number 6?
She trained nurse to X-ray people.
So she trained nurses to X-ray people. And the last part, she died in Paris. Do you have something more or less like this?
Yes.
Or no? Yes?
Yes. More or less.
All right. Okay. So I'm going to stop here the class because we only have 5 minutes, but I want to explain what you have to do for your homework. Okay? Let me go to here. Okay, for your homework, I'm going to give you a little work. The quiz is going to be on Friday. I'm going to put the quiz on Friday. It's only going to be grammar and vocabulary. But the first part of the homework has to be a WhatsApp homework. So you're going to send a WhatsApp audio to the WhatsApp group, not to me, no, to the WhatsApp group, okay? And you have to say 3 things that you did yesterday in affirmative, and 3 things that you didn't do yesterday in negative. Okay. We
Okay.
have to use these verbs. I am going to send an example to the WhatsApp, but you have to do other different examples. Okay.
Mhm.
And the other 2 homeworks that I have is in Google Classroom and Google Site. Let me go to the Google Classroom before this the video in Zoom finishes. Okay, I started in Google Site. Okay, in Google Site you have to go until the end where it says here the simple past of regular. I'm gonna mute you guys because there's a lot of noise. Okay, it says the simple past regular verbs affirmative, negative, and interrogative. You have to answer. You have to put the information and then go. There are going to be 5 questions for this. Whoa, I have to answer them. But anyways, you have 3 sections: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. You have to do the 3 sections, okay? This is important. And then the other thing that I am going to ask you to do for homework is in here, Google Classroom. Okay, in Google Classroom, you go to classwork, and Google Classroom has one specific already. It says writing. In the writing section, you have different activities. It says writing activities, biography of a famous person. Okay, when this thing decides to work. You got stuck, I'm sorry.
Teacher, eso nos va a mandar a WhatsApp, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, don't worry. I'm gonna send everything to WhatsApp. Okay. Well, this thing decided not to work right now. Let's see.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's not working exactly as I want. Anyways, so you have to follow. I put examples in every activity, so you don't have to be. I mean, you only have to read the information. But I'm going to send you this. This is what you have to do. In the PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to send the picture as well. But yes, I want you to do the 2 activities: the writing and the grammar, and then the audio in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Like I said, the quiz is going to be next Friday, so we have to keep practicing grammar and vocabulary. All right.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna send these pictures to the WhatsApp. For now, that's it. Thank you so much for being in the class, and I will see you on Wednesday.